Immobiliser Fit, and today I've secured this 2018 Discovery Sport with a Starline Pro Immobiliser. So if a thief done a relay attack, copied this key, got in and went to steal the vehicle, it's just not going to start up. The ignition's going to come on, but the engine's not going to start, as you can see. So what the customer's got to do, foot off the brake, they'll turn the ignition on, go through a unique code that they can set completely up to them. For now, we just have a simple 1, 2, 3 for the video. Hear a disarm tone, foot on the brake, we can start the car. Not a lot of people want to do a push sequence, so you can just pair your phone up, have it in your pocket, get in, start the car. It disarms using your phone and you can drive away. No need for a push sequence. This is the Starline Pro. Once again, if they copy this key, do a relay attack, you're going to be unable to start it. For you can use a push sequence or pair your Bluetooth phone up, just simply drive away. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. This is a 2018 Discovery Sport.